Purpose and function of propulsion systems on ships. 1. What is a ship propulsion system? A propulsion system on a ship is the complete set of machinery and components that generate thrust to move the vessel through water. This system typically includes Jungyu prime mover, engine or motor, cast transmission system, shafting, gearbox, Furudgo, propeller, azimuth, thruster or jet. 2. Purpose of the propulsion system. The main goals of a ship's propulsion system are generate thrust to overcome water resistance, itted movement from one port to another, maintain maneuverability and control at sea or in harbour, support different ship speeds depending on load and sea conditions, ensure fuel efficiency and reliability. The propulsion system must also meet environmental regulations, optimize performance, and minimize vibration or noise. 3. Functions of the propulsion system. Convert fuel or electrical energy into mechanical power. Transmit torque to the propeller or propulsor, control speed and direction of the ship, support both forward and reverse motion. Work in harmony with auxiliary systems, cooling, lubrication control. 4. Common types of ship propulsion systems. Here are the major propulsion types used on ships today. Diesel mechanical. A 2-stroke or 4-stroke diesel engine is directly connected to a shaft and propeller, common using on cargo ships, tankers, bulk carriers. Diesel electric. Diesel generators produce electricity to power electric motors, which drive the propeller, common using on cruise ships, offshore vessels. Gas turbine propulsion. High-speed turbine generates power for jets or propulsors, lightweight and fast, common using on naval ships, high-speed ferries. Steam turbine, steam from boilers, drives a turbine connected to the shaft, less common now, common using on LNG carriers, older vessels. Nuclear propulsion. Nuclear reactors generate steam for turbines, very long endurance, common using on submarines, naval ships. Battery electric. Fully electric power from batteries driving electric motors, no emissions, common using on small ferries, harbour vessels. Hybrid propulsion, combination of diesel engines and batteries, or LNG and battery for flexibility, common using on green ferries, tugboats. Azimuth thrusters, podded electric motors that can rotate 360 degrees, combine propulsion and steering, common using on cruise ships, offshore supply ships. Water jet propulsion, pumps water through a nozzle to generate thrust, no propeller, common using on fast ferries, patrol boats. Conclusion. The propulsion system is the heart of a ship's movement. From giant diesel engines to clean electric motors, the technology is evolving to meet the demands of efficiency, sustainability, and precision.